Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on the coin KAR, or KARURA.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and we will be talking about that cryptocurrency. And as you guys know, this is not financial advice, and hope you guys enjoy.
So as you can see, this is a low cap coin like the previous video we did on Plutus, and if you have not checked the coin Plutus out, our previous video, I highly recommend you go check that video out because that coin is pretty insane and it's definitely worth you take a look at it. But yeah, let's get into KARURA. I'm not sure how to say it, so I'm just going to call it KAR in this video. But yeah, so it's $70 million market cap, which is extremely small for any cryptocurrency. Well, when you look at its all-time high, it was $13.18, and this was only 21 days ago. Things have not really been breaking all-time highs recently, so the fact that it happened 21 days ago is very good. So if we look at its market cap when it was $28, it was. So as you can see, the market cap was about $110, $111. You can't fully get onto the top. It's about $112. So we need about another, let's say, $35 million for it to break its all-time high. And in crypto, $35 million flow into a market is literally nothing. That's no money. So, but let's look at what this coin actually does. Will it be able to get another $35 million? Who's going to be buying back into this coin? Is it any good? Let's go straight into the video to find out.
Okay, so as you can see from their website, they have spoken about that they are trying to make DeFi very, very easy for everyone to use. You can also meet Karura's all-in-one DeFi platform and help you swap, borrow, lend, earn, and many more things, and it's all within a micro gas fee. So instead of paying them high gas fees that you normally pay with an Ethereum network, this is going to be very, very cheaper, and it's something that they also promise. Also, they have an in-app as well. So if you want to download this on your app store, then you can do that. Just type in KARURA app and it should come up. So what exactly is KARURA? KARURA is an all-in-one DeFi hub on Kusama. So Kusama is an Polkadot ecosystem network, and it is a testnet for it. So why would you want to build on Kusama? So Kusama is a Polkadot's faster, wilder cousin, a multi-chain network for radical innovation. Kusama and Polkadot are independently standalone networks built in nearly the same way, but Kusama has faster governance parameters and higher risk tolerance. You can also stake your KSM as well, and you can also hold their their stable coin, similar to like USDC, but they have their own one called KUSD. So you can pay a fraction of your gas fee in any token, and it's also accepted in any token as well. Everything is powered by KAR, which is great. You can also have node incentivizations, and you can want to relay messages in your Kusama, governance, algorithmic risk adjustments, pilot deployment, and transaction fees. This is their team and all their backers that they currently have.
As you can see, they're backed by Coinbase and various other companies. So, and obviously they're working with Kusama, and as we know, Kusama part of Polkadot, and as we know, Polkadot is not a scam, Kusama is not a scam, Coinbase is not a scam. So personally, I'm not very scared to be investing in this coin at all. It's obviously trusted, it's backed. But obviously you always have to do your own due diligence. That is the most important thing you can ever do when you're looking into a crypto coin. If you're just going on YouTube, going off what a YouTuber says, it's not the best thing to do. You definitely have to do your own due diligence. So as you can see, they've already been launched. So they launched in 2021, Q2. I believe it's Q2 anyway. It doesn't quite say. I believe it was. So as you can see, KARURA has already launched. But they're planning on launching Akala, which is the sister of KARURA. Like KARURA is the cousin of Kusama. They're using a lot of that. But as you can see, they've been security audited, which is why I'm just saying how it's going to be a trusted company. But even so, you still need to see this for yourself. Go on the website yourself, look at it all yourself. Don't just go after video and say, okay, it's security audited, okay, they're backed by Coinbase, okay. You know, you need to look into it, it's very important. But yeah, so if we actually look into what Akala really is, it's the DeFi hub of Polkadot, which is what the whole Karura is doing. So as you can see, this is how it will look. And I don't know if this is an app or if it's just their website on the phone, but if they have an app, then that is very good because most decentralized things like this, such as PancakeSwap, are not having apps and things like this. But yeah, so if you want to look more into Akala, because that's not what this video is actually on, then I advise you go onto akala.network and you'll be able to read up on Akala, which is also part of Karura, which is part of Polkadot. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really means a lot and it really helps us out. And yeah, thank you for all the support recently. It seriously helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.